Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how fruit can help in cleaning the kidneys. Once damaged, kidney repair is impossible. Each kidney houses about 1 million tiny units known as nephrons. Blood is constantly being filtered in these structures, which filter blood from everything you ingest, consume, or are exposed to. Nephrons regulate what is retained in the body and what is eliminated. As we age, some nephrons shrink, and you can lose up to 20% of them. It is critical to avoid harmful substances and eat a healthy diet to preserve kidney health. Some fruits are particularly beneficial for the kidneys. Not only do they taste good, but they also maintain kidney health and clean them. These fruits promote kidney health by improving blood filtration. We will explore the best fruits for this purpose and how to enjoy them daily. Improve kidney health with a little adjustment. Investing in a kidney-beneficial fruit could have a positive impact on your life. Are you curious about these fruits? Stay tuned for more news. This video presents several fruits known to cleanse and improve kidney health. We will review the particular benefits of each fruit and offer practical suggestions on how to maximize their effectiveness. The information has been verified and is unbiased, coming from health professionals. Let's start with these powerful fruits for maintaining the health and cleanliness of your kidneys. First, blueberries. Blueberries work as a natural medicine for the kidneys. They are rich in antioxidants that are essential for overall health and especially beneficial for kidney function. According to the National Kidney Foundation, blueberries may be beneficial for kidney problems such as chronic kidney disease and kidney stones. This is supported by scientific research. Low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, blueberries are an excellent alternative for those seeking to regulate mineral consumption. Blueberries also possess anthocyanins that prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary system, reducing the risk of urinary infections. Blueberries may help prevent infections that are detrimental to kidney health. Research is revealing additional benefits. A 2022 study suggested that anthocyanin found in blueberries may slow diabetic kidney disease. A study of about 1,000 women found that high anthocyanin intake was associated with lower blood pressure and less arterial stiffness. Both are important because hypertension is a risk factor for kidney disease. Blueberries may also help fight oxidative stress, in which free radicals damage cells, a crucial factor in kidney disease. Blueberries support kidney health. In the United States, millions of people silently suffer from kidney conditions. Blueberries are tasty and beneficial to your health. Incorporate them into your oats or smoothies, or consume them as a snack. Blueberries have antioxidants, such as polyphenols, that fight oxidative stress and benefit the kidneys. 1 cup of blueberries, for example, contains about 90-19 antioxidants. Wild blueberries, on the other hand, contain about 103-427. This high level suggests that blueberries may help prevent kidney damage. Blueberries are known to protect the kidneys. In a 2021 study in animals, blueberry extract was found to decrease the expression of TNF-alpha, a gene that triggers inflammation and is largely responsible for chronic kidney disease. By reducing inflammation, blueberries improve kidney function. A second study with rats found that adding blueberries to their diet increased blood flow to the kidneys and activated genes that control blood pressure and fluid levels. This promoted kidney health. Now let's move on to the next fruit beneficial for the kidneys: apples. Apples help prevent kidney problems. Especially if you have kidney problems or reduced kidney function, it is important to monitor the amount of potassium, sodium, and phosphorus you consume, especially for kidney wellness. Apples are an excellent choice, as they possess low levels of these minerals and are rich in other nutrients. Apples contain a significant amount of fiber, which is one of their main benefits. Fiber is crucial for kidney health, as it reduces the risk of kidney disease and stones and improves intestinal health. Fiber in the diet helps the kidneys process and eliminate waste more efficiently. Apple pectin is a soluble fiber with several functions. Pectin helps in blood sugar regulation and promotes weight loss, which is beneficial for kidney health. Pectin helps in the control of diabetes and obesity, which are risk factors for kidney disease. It is believed that pectin can help the body eliminate heavy metals such as lead, mercury, and arsenic. However, research on this topic is not conclusive. Apples are an excellent source of nutrients, minerals, and antioxidants. They are a healthy alternative. In a 2018 study, 16 renal patients consumed 2 Fuji apples a day for a full week and experienced an increase in their antioxidant levels without affecting their potassium levels. Apples are a healthy and safe addition to the diet of people with kidney disease. Apples contain high levels of antioxidants such as quercetin and anthocyanins. They also possess chlorogenic acid, which helps protect against damage and inflammation. Importantly, quercetin's ability to reduce blood pressure should be noted, as hypertension damages the kidneys by making blood vessels narrower and weaker. It is best to consume fresh, whole apples by incorporating them into your diet. The Environmental Working Group, EWG, places common apples at the 8th highest level of pesticides on its list. Organic or integrated pest control apples are preferable, as they contain fewer pesticides and provide additional nutrients. Peeling apples will result in a decrease in antioxidants and fiber. Dehydrated apples are a convenient snack, but they lack vitamin C and often contain additional sugar and calories. This is harmful to your kidneys. Store-bought apple juice is also filtered and pasteurized, removing most of the antioxidants and fiber, while more sugar is added. 3. Cranberries. Cranberries can be beneficial for maintaining kidney health. Low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, they are a great addition to a kidney-beneficial diet. Unlike blueberries, cranberries are also low in sugar and rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C, flavonoids, quercetin, anthocyanins, phenolic acid, and resveratrol. These can be beneficial in fighting oxidative stress and inflammation, which can cause kidney damage. Proanthocyanidins, a key component of cranberries, help fight oxidative stress and inflammation by neutralizing harmful radicals. These can cause damage to kidney cells, improving overall kidney health. Cranberries may also be beneficial in preventing and relieving urinary tract infections, UTIs, a condition that puts pressure on the kidneys. Urinary tract infections can cause pain during urination or frequent urination due to bacteria such as E. coli. Many people seek natural solutions because of the side effects that antibiotics can generate. Cranberries can be incorporated into your diet through juices, fresh fruit, or supplements. To preserve the health benefits, it is best to choose products without added sugars. Habitual consumption of cranberries can contribute to kidney health. A 2008 Cochrane review examined 10 studies with 1,498 participants. The review found that cranberry products decreased the incidence of urinary infections by 35% over a 1-year period. However, cranberries are only useful to prevent urinary infections, not to treat them once the bacteria have adhered to the cells of the urinary system. Cranberries also contribute to hydration, which is critical for kidney health. Water makes it easier for the kidneys to filter waste from the blood and convert it to urine. Avoid excess fluid, as it can cause fluid retention and bloating. Incorporating organic cranberries into your diet is easy and fun. Add them to your oats, include them in salads, or consume them as is. They can be added to smoothies as a supplement. Look for cranberries that bounce when they fall. Skin with a slight sheen and deep red color is an indicative of ripeness, as well as higher levels of beneficial compounds. Although convenient, dehydrated cranberries do not offer the same health benefits as fresh cranberries due to added sugars and a reduced amount of nutrients. For health benefits, fresh or frozen cranberries are the best options. 4. Grapes. Grapes are also beneficial for kidney health by improving detoxification processes. The high water content of grapes helps maintain the proper level of hydration. It is essential for the effective elimination of wastes and toxins by the kidneys. Grapes are a natural diuretic that increases urine production and assists the body in its detoxification process. It is especially beneficial for individuals with kidney conditions that can cause fluid retention. Resveratrol is an antioxidant with significant health benefits. It is a standard element in grapes. In laboratories and on animals, resveratrol has been shown to decrease oxidative damage and inflammation. These are key elements in preventing kidney injury. It not only prevents damage, but also improves kidney structure and function. Research in humans indicates that consumption of resveratrol could improve renal filtration rates by increasing urine volume. This indicates that consuming grapes regularly may protect kidney health. Grapes also contain other flavonoids, such as quercetin and epicatechin. These compounds have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that reduce the risk of kidney disease. Resveratrol may also reduce the growth of kidney cancer cells, another health benefit that grapes can provide. See you next time.